A severe thunderstorm was located near Fairview, or 12 miles west of Franklin, and is nearly stationary. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damaged roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Leapers Fork. This includes Interstate 840 between mile markers 9 and 22. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. The National Weather Service in Huntsville, Alabama has issued a flash flood warning for South Central Limestone County in North Central Alabama, Northwestern Morgan County in North Central Alabama, East Central Lawrence County in Northwestern Alabama, until 1:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:09 a.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. 2 to 3 inches of rain have already fallen over the last couple of hours, with an additional 1 to 2 inches possible. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Decatur, Trinity, Hillsboro, Caddo, and Cleveland Springs. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. A flash flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. If you are in the warned area, move to higher ground immediately. Residents living along streams and creeks should take immediate precautions to protect life and property. Southwestern Dixon County in Middle Tennessee, Southern Houston County in Middle Tennessee, Northern Perry County in Middle Tennessee, Humphreys County in Middle Tennessee, Western Hickman County in Middle Tennessee, until 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 1:58 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. More than 2 inches of rain have already fallen in parts of the area this afternoon, and some areas had heavy rain this morning. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Waverly, Centerville, Camden, New Jacksonville, McEwen, Hurricane Mills, Lowellville, Pinewood, Interstate 40 near the Tennessee River, Nunnally, and Bucks North. Additional rainfall amounts over 3 inches are possible in the warned area. This includes Interstate 40 between mile markers 136 and 166. A flash flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. If you are in the warned area, move to higher ground immediately. Residents living along streams and creeks.
There's the flash flood warning.
To protect life and property.